A Power BI project can have dozens of warnings, but the harder question is this: is the project actually ready for the next engineering step? BI Guardian Operator starts with a real Power BI project using PBIP or TMDL. Project metadata is analyzed locally in the browser. Only sanitized mission evidence can reach the cloud orchestration layer. Now let's run the first mission, Review Before Production. Google ADK coordinates a set of bounded engineering capabilities. Gemini can choose the next allowed action. But Gemini does not create findings, and it does not decide what is true. The model chooses what to try. Deterministic engines establish the project facts, and as new evidence arrives, Operator continuously evaluates what still needs to be proven. The mission finishes as ready with conditions. The project has a quality score of 82. There are no critical or high severity blockers, but 8 items still require attention. And notice something important here. Mission completion is kept separate from the engineering outcome. A mission can finish successfully, while the project can still require remediation. Here is one real finding. This measure is evaluated under deterministic rule BGDAX001. The finding keeps its severity, classification, evidence, and score impact. The interface can group findings for presentation. But deterministic engines establish the facts. Evidence records what was actually observed, and the outcome contract decides when the mission has enough proof to close. The model proposes. Now let's move to a different goal: technical handoff. This mission starts from the same project, but now the objective is different. Operator gathers the project inventory, maintainability signals, findings, and engineering work items. Then it produces durable engineering artifacts, a structured handoff file, and a semantic model diagram generated directly from the project evidence. The important point is that we did not build another. The mission contract changes, the required evidence changes, and the final artifacts change, but the control plane stays the same mission state, the same capability boundaries, the same deterministic engines, the same evidence authority. And now let's look at governance. This mission demonstrates a different kind of value, knowing when not to claim certainty. Some governance checks can be verified directly from the project. Others cannot. If the available project evidence cannot establish a claim, Operator does not convert missing information into a failure, and it does not convert it into a pass. Instead, the result can remain unknown or not observable. Governance does not guess. Operator checks whether a fact can. Unknown is a valid governed result. It never becomes a fabricated pass. Across all 3 missions, the architecture remains consistent. The raw Power BI project stays in the browser. Cloud Run hosts the Operator service. Google ADK coordinates mission execution. Gemini selects from bounded actions on Vertex AI. And Firestore stores sanitized operational state. But model confidence never determines completion. Evidence requirements do. The engines know. The agent coordinates, the AI interprets, and the evidence rules.